original. Puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take up. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's tutorial is brought to you by Vivibabihair, and they sent me this 13x4 lace front wig, and this is their loose deep wave texture. It is 180% density and it is a 26-inch. It does carry the usual wig construction if I can talk. It has the combs on the inside as well as adjustable straps. And guys, we're just like jumping straight into the video. I have a wig cap on and I just took the wig straight out of the package and I tried it on my head. I must say that the front of the unit didn't fit my head so well. I don't know, maybe it's the shape of my head, but at first when I got it out the box and I put it on my head, it seemed a little bit short on the sides. But when I was done, I managed to finesse it, and after like cutting off the lace and gluing it, the wig did stretch to fit my head. So yeah, it was a bit of a like it had me like worried, but it ended up working out in the end. But this is what the wig looks like. I think the waves in the wig are really nice. Like, I love the curl pattern or whatever you want to call it, but I really like how the hair looks. It looks really nice. And guys, the knots, I must say, on the front are a little visible in a sense. Like, the knots are not bleached. I wish I had maybe like bleached the knots to help with like the melting of the lace, but it did end up working out. I used makeup and stuff, but if I was gonna like wear this wig again, I would definitely bleach the knots so it would blend better for me. Yeah, I'm going in with some Ghost Bond to attach the wig. At first I wasn't going to use glue, but then I just did like one layer, and as you can see, I didn't even do a ball cap at all because I didn't plan on gluing it down. But because the wig seemed as if it wasn't going to fit my head properly at the front, I decided to glue it down so it'll probably like stay into place more. So that's what I did, and I just used one layer. I used some alcohol to like wipe my skin off, and then I did a layer, only one, because I didn't plan on keeping on the wig for long. And even though I didn't want to keep it on long, I had it on for 3 days because it was just like stuck to my head, so I kept it on and I ended up really loving the look of the wig. But yeah, I'm just putting the lace onto the glue, and guys, try and pull your lace over the glue so you have a less to clean up. Even if you pull it over the glue and you cut the extra lace off and you have little areas to fill in, then that's perfectly fine. You can just use the tail of your comb to fill in those areas that are lifting versus using a lot of glue and bringing it too far down, and then it's gonna be a hard like task to clean it all up. But this is what the hair looks like. I tied it down just to get the lace to melt in a bit. I used the elastic band, just like any elastic band that you would sew into your wig. That's what I used. And guys, I did not pluck this wig. I don't know, because I was in a rush. I ended up going out after this to eat. I was in a rush, so I did not pluck the wig at all. And I don't think that it's pre-plucked in a sense. Like, it's kind of plucked, but I feel like it needs to be plucked just a little bit more for it to be like, you know, like seamless and on point. So I did go in after putting it on and I just like plucked it somewhat. I don't even think I really plucked it properly because I just needed my hair done and I needed to go. But that's what the wig looks like. All the information for this hair, guys, will be in the description bar down below, as well as a coupon code so you can save dollars off on your purchase. But wow, this is what the wig is looking like after I plucked it a bit and after I tied it again with the elastic band. And I tell you, every time I take the elastic band off, I hit myself. I don't know, I sting myself. But yeah, this is what it's looking like. And I'm just gonna trim those edges a little bit down, use my hot comb on the scalp area just so it can like lay flat. And yeah, then I'm gonna do my part and add some mousse. And for my edges, I use some Got To Be gel. I feel like I kind of over plucked my edges, but you'll see it when I'm done. But I'm just like, damn, at least it looks realistic because on the side, my edges are like that. So I'm like, at least it looks realistic. But yeah, I'm doing a side part, and I like the fact that I was able to do such a deep part. So the parting space on this wig is really nice, I must say. And guys, the hair, it didn't shed much. It is a deep wave texture, so you know it's not like a straight wig. So curly and wavy textures tend to shed somewhat when you like comb it. So it didn't shed like out of the ordinary. It was pretty good. And I feel like the 180 density was just right. I feel like if it was more, I couldn't manage the hair. So I feel like this density was good for the look. And guys, I wanted to try my crimping iron out. I bought a crimping iron a while back to crimp my hair and I never used it. I've had it maybe almost a year and I never used it. And I just decided like, okay, since it's already like a deep wave texture, let me just do the crimps and you know, it'll look cute even if I don't do a good job at the crimping. And this crimping iron is a bedhead crimping iron and I got it from Walmart. So this is my first time ever crimping hair, so don't laugh because bruh, I don't know. I look weird and I burn myself. So when y'all are doing this, especially if you're using this iron, be careful. I burn myself like twice on my neck doing the back. So in the future when I'm crimping hair, I will definitely do it on my mannequin head before I lay my lace because this ain't it. This is not it. So I'm using some Got To Be Free spray. And guys, when you're crimping your hair, you do need hairspray. So I'm using that and I noticed while doing the hair, when I added the Got To Be Free spray all along the section, it did it crimped better, it looked better because this section I barely added any, and I realized if the sections are too thin or too small, it doesn't crimp properly. So while doing my hair, I learned a few things, and I think I'm gonna do a video on how to like do crimps on your wigs, but I'll do it on my mannequin head because I can't with the burns that I be giving myself. But yeah, let me know if y'all want a crimping video, like a detailed one, because I figured it out after the fact. So I can show y'all like how to properly do it. But that's what it's looking like. As you see, when I did the second one, it looked better. But as I went along, it got better, okay? Just know that you need hairspray. You definitely need hairspray. You need some kind of spritz or some kind of thing like that. And then you need to like spray the hair from the root to the end in order for it to like crimp properly. If you barely spray it, it's not gonna like crimp. And if you try to crimp the hair without hairspray, it's not gonna look the way how you see it, all those stylists when they do it. So you definitely need hairspray. And I would suggest a heat protectant spray just to not like fry your hair too much. I didn't use a heat protectant spray because I didn't know what I was doing at first. But yeah, that's like my little tip. But I'm gonna go ahead and crimp the rest of it. And because it already had a wave, the crimps just looked extra nice because it wasn't even like coming from like a straight texture. It was already wavy, so the crimps just popped up. Like they popped all the way out with the hair texture. And I feel like this hair is like a really good quality. I like the feel of it. The only problem that I had was the knots at the front, and I feel like um I should have bleached it, but I was lazy. I don't like bleaching hair or doing any of that extra stuff. To be honest, I'd be taking my wig straight out of the package and finessing it. Like that's just the truth. And I'm gonna take this off and everything is like melted and the hair looks super good. I really hope y'all like, you know, like this tutorial. Let me know if y'all learned anything because sis, I really tried. This is my first time crimping anything and I feel like I slayed because I went out and I was feeling myself and my hair. If y'all like this hair, the information will be down below in the description box. You can like check it out. And yeah, there's a coupon code as well for you to get like dollars off. Please like this video, please comment, please share, and please like subscribe so we can grow, guys. I want to get to 100K. Like, what are we doing? Thank you guys so much for watching another video of mine. I love you guys so much, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.